अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बेसिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन थ्योरम, यानी एक नंबर को बेसिकली एक इंटीजर या कोई भी नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट किस तरह से किया जा सकता है। इसको रेडिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी कहते हैं। डेफिनेशन की तरफ चलते हैं। लेट बी ग्रेटर देन 1, then every positive integer n has a unique representation in the form। हम लेट कर लेते हैं कि b ग्रेटर देन 1 है, देन हर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर n उसका एक यूनिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगी कुछ इस तरह से। लेट अस से n इज़ दैट इंटीजर विच कैन बी रिटन एज a के b पार k प्लस a के -1 b पार k -1 up to so on plus a1 b1 plus b0, where 0 less than equals to ai less than equals to b minus 1 and 0 less than equals to I less than equals to k। मज़ीद चलते हैं आगे, देन आपको क्लियर होगा ये सारा। इफ़ n इज़ इक्वल्स टू b, अगर n ये जो n है ये कोई भी b के इक्वल है, देन n can be written as n is equals to 1 dot b plus 0 is its unique representation। Then it will be in the unique representation, that means it will be given in the form of Euclid theorem, such as a is equals to bq plus r। So this term is as n is equals to 1 dot b is multiplied with the quotient and the remainder is 0 is its unique representation। एग्ज़ाम्पल करते हैं ताकि हमें मज़ीद क्लियर हो। एग्ज़ाम्पल है कन्वर्ट 4385 टू बेस 9। इसको हमने कन्वर्ट करना है जैसे हमने बेसिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन थ्योरम या रेडिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन में बताया गया है। सो 4385 का एलसीएम करते हैं बेस 9 से। 9 4s are 36, 7 will be remaining, so 7 into 8 78, so 9 8s are 72, it will give us 65। as we know 9 7s are 63, so remainder will be 2। we can write this term in the form of Euclid theorem as a, which is dividend bq plus r, so 2 is the remainder। So 487 into 9 plus 2 will be Euclid form of this term। Now for 487, 9 5s are 45, 3 will be the remainder, so 37, for 37 9 4s are 36, so it will be 1। in the form of Euclid theorem, 54 multiplied by 9 plus 1 is its final term। Now for 54 it will give us 9 6s are and remainder will be 0, so 4385 can be written as from there to there, so 6012 having base 9। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं कन्वर्ट 5163 इन द नोटेशन बेस 10। इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं बेसिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन थ्योरम लगाकर बेस 12 में। सो 12 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे। 12 4s are 48, it will give the remainder 3। 12 3s are 36 and there will be remainder 3, so we put 0 here and it will give us 3। Similarly, for in its Euclid form, it will given 430 into 12 plus 3। Again for 12 base 12, it will give us 12 3s are 36, it will give us the remaining 7, remainder is 7, so for 70 12 5s are 60, remainder will be 10। as 10 is the greater number, so we put the constant here, let us say that is t। for 10 I will put t here। So for 430, the Euclid theorem is 35 into 12 plus 3 plus t. T is for remainder 10. Now 12, as 12 threes are 36, but we have to go for shorter numbers, that is 12 twos are 24. Remainder will be 11. So 11 is also a some greater number, so we put here another constant, that is e. So its Euclid theorem will become, the Euclid theorem of 35 will become 2 into 12 for some constant e, which is equals to 11. So we can write this term as 5163 is equals to, we start from there, 2 for 11 I will put e, 2e, t, and the next one is 3 having base 12.